Well, it's a beautiful morning here. This is our first morning at Wildrock Campground. Because of a tornado, Snyder Lake, where we stayed last year, got tore up pretty good. We found a place here, a lot of people here. This used to be just a strictly horse camp, and they opened it up to horses and UTVs. Not a bad spot. It's got electric, it's got pit toilets. It's not as nice as Snyder Lake or Russell Memorial Park on Lake Arbutus that have got showers and running water and things like that. There's a septic area if you got an RV. It's right on the trails. There's a nice playground for the kids. It's a little wet, but we've had some rain in the last couple weeks. But we found a dry enough spot to pitch our tent and certainly made do with it. So it was fairly quiet. There's some people up a little bit late, including myself and some of our friends, but people kept things pretty quiet for the most part, so that was nice. So once the sun gets up in a tent, I can never sleep in, so it's just after 6 a.m. and I'm up. Time to make some coffee. Got grouse drumming in the woods, so pretty cool. It looks like we might have some rain coming. Oh man. Pretty good.
Dude. So good. Can't beat it. Just add water. Doesn't even matter what brand it is. It's always the same stuff, right? Basically.
It's hard to beat pancake mix.
Yeah. Add water pancake mix is the best. I don't know why, but It's good. Oh god, people's helmets are just covered in mud.
Oh yeah.
Just covered.
Alright, we're into Jackson County now. That's for from here on out is new for us.
Cool. Well, we're gonna see it all fresh and clean.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna keep raining, it looks like.
No kidding.
I think I can see a police car up ahead.
Fire truck.
Oh, never mind.
Flea market parking.
Oh, we're missing out on the deals, baby.
Yep.
We got room in here. We could fit some more stuff.
Oh no, what happened? And there's a police car.
Someone probably crashed.
Yep.
What?
Wow, look at that.
It's a black river.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Alright, we just made the right turn to head into Black River Falls.
Yep, sign said 18 miles.
Oh, did it? Okay.
Yeah, got a little bit of a way still.
Yep. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Hit it.
Don't get them wet. Oh, great, got wet on that one.
Oh, no. See how tight those door ledges are now? Glad I took my motion sickness stuff because this has been wild.
Yeah.
No, it was through a lot of puddles.
Yeah, we have been through a lot of puddles here, right?
Right where I ripped my pants. Wow. Bravo.